In the quiet alleys of Meowtown, Luna, the blind white cat, walked carefully, ears twitching. The world was dark, but not silent. Whiskers, her best friend, always walked beside her, tail brushing hers gently. He warned her of puddles, led her to food, and even sat silently when she listened to the rain. One day, Shadow, the street-smart stray, laughed. "She's useless without you." But that night, when Shadow got caught in a trap, it was Luna who heard his cries. Guided by sound alone, she found him, and with Whisker's help, freed him. From that day, Luna wasn't just a blind cat. She was the bravest cat in Meowtown.